Hello viewer, this is a tutorial by Vigilant Net Solutions Private Limited located at Mumbai. My name is Piyush and today we are going to learn how to exploit a Windows XP machine using Metasploit in Backtrack 5. Well, Metasploit is a wonderful tool for all the exploits. For this particular exploit, I'm using an environment in which I have one of the machines as Backtrack and the other one is my Windows XP, which is vulnerable to a Net API exploit. So let's start with the exploit. Okay, we go to Backtrack, then we go to Applications. In Applications, in the Backtrack menu, we have Exploitation Tools. In the exploitation tools, we go to Network Exploitation Tools and we see an option that is Metasploit Framework. In this Metasploit framework, we need to select the MSF console. Okay, once we select this particular console, this is how it looks. Okay, in this particular MSF console, we are going to write an exploit. So the command is use Windows SMB MS08 underscore 067 underscore net API. Hit enter. This will take you to an exploit. This is actually a vulnerability in Windows XP which we are going to exploit. Okay. Let's see what all options are available for this particular exploit. You can see this option rhost, rport and SMB pipe. This is what is missing, rhost. So let's set the target host IP address. Set rhost 192.168.36.130. This is the IP address of our Windows XP machine. Okay. Enter. You can see the rhost is now set to the IP address of Windows XP. Okay. Next is let's set the payload. Hit enter. Okay, let's see the options once again. You can now see that our rhost is now set to the IP address that we gave for the Windows XP machine. Okay, you can see the L port. By default, the L port that Metasploit uses is 4444. Okay, so let's change it. Okay, let's set the L port to 5000. Okay. Once we are done with this, let's start the exploit by using the exploit command. You can see it identified the selected target as Windows XP SP2. The language is English. Alright. Now you can see that we have access to a Windows command prompt. And any guesses which command prompt is this? This is the vulnerable Windows XP's command prompt. Okay, so let's check if we are actually correct. Okay, let's do a dir to check the contents of C drive. You can see these are the contents. Okay, this is the file vigilant.txt. You can actually check the contents of this file. Okay, let's first get back to Windows XP and see and confirm whether we actually got the right content or not. Now we have opened the C drive. This is the content of the C drive. You can see 4 folders: document settings, program files, the file vigilante.txt, and Windows. So this is how we actually got access of a remote machine. Okay, that's how we do an exploit of Windows XP machine using Backtrack 5. If you have any queries regarding anything, please do leave your comments. We will be more than happy to help you. Thank you very much.